Look at this. I just made the cutest clip-in bangs this morning. I did not cut bangs. They are clip-in bangs, and you guys can do these yourself at home, and I'm going to teach you how.
Don't know what to do with your tester piece? Today we're going to be showing you how you can easily make some clip-in bangs using your tester piece from a classic or seamless set of extensions. To start, you're going to want to clip in the tester piece around as far back as you would like the bangs to naturally sit. Then be sure to section out a few pieces of hair on each side that will be used as face framing pieces for the bangs to blend easier. You can then take your shears and carefully cut across that middle section and cut off a good amount of length using an up and down motion. Be careful not to cut too much of the length. You can always go back and trim them even shorter, but you can't add that length back. Then, just to make it a little easier on yourself, remove the clip-ins and begin to cut those side pieces we left out at an angle going away from your face. Clip the bangs back in and just keep playing around with the length and shape by point cutting with your shears upwards and thinning out the ends. Once you're happy with the cut of the bangs, you can either wet them and blow them out with a round brush and a blow dryer, or just add a bit of curl to them with a curling iron or a straightener. Pop on a cute headband to conceal the track, and there you have it. You've got some clip-in bangs using your cashmere hair tester piece.